Please don't miss to watch this. Don't miss to watch this video.
The phone and the phone is not charging. I command it to charge now.
As you declare that the phones will begin to charge, this woman, her phone was battery low, just a few bars, but she could see it charging with her own eyes to the extent that now the battery is better than it was. The phone has charged.
My people, wonder shall never end. Things they happen, oh, honestly. All this our African pastor, I don't know what it called, they sub. My people, when I see this clip of video when I watch, so I go live on a morning for watch the full video. Me I listen to this man of God prophecy when he give. As I cross this one, I watch Dr. Lies. Abba, he said this lady so say he phone they shut down only 2 bar. As the man of God pray, they can't get full bar. My people, I don't understand. This one a prophecy. As I cross this one, I watch Dr. Lies, my people. Honestly. And Mathias Ezeaku can still blow hot at this video. Hey, Abba. African pastors, some of them, I don't know the way when they take this thing. So I don't understand whether na business. So they will come out, they will climb altar, come they lie, they give the members. I don't understand. Hey, may no come be say I too talk. Make una watch the full video of this man of God as he dey kabosh. They talk say the phone they too bad as they pray. Now so the phone can't charge fully. Hey, make una regade.
Please don't miss to watch this. Don't miss to watch this video.
The phone and the phone is not charging. I command it to charge now.
As you declare that the phones will begin to charge, this woman, her phone was battery low, just a few bars, but she could see it charging with her own eyes to the extent that now the battery is better than it was. The phone has charged.
Have you seen the plan of Christianity in your village, in your local government, in your state, in your land as a black child? These are the plan of Christianity in our society. Christianity want to put our society inside well. They want to kill every average black human being. They want to destroy the future of our children. They want us to believe in city. They want us to grow like animals. Just as many of you today living in diaspora have submitted yourself to the white and they already make them to know, to believe that you want nothing before the world. That is why you are doing one of the most dirtiest jobs today in America, because you are a person as a black person. And what makes you foolish today is Christianity. There is nothing different by the same Christianity who made you to believe that getting a visa to travel to America is a miracle, that are fighting so hard for your country to become better than America. There is nothing different between what this pastor did. You may be calling those who are following this pastor people that you are claiming to be a good Christian. You today who believe that it's Jesus who made you to get a visa to travel to UK. There is nothing different between you and these people. Your own flesh is even abhorring. Now, this is the plan of it. And this is what we are fighting. This is all what we are fighting against. This is the reason why I am spending my money, my energy, my time to fight for the good of our future kids. Because I know that 99% of we, the 21st century children right now, that 99% of our brain has been affected with Christianity. We can no longer reason anymore. A pastor is telling the congregation that he prayed and a phone and the Holy Spirit now charge a phone. Now, Christianity wants you, an average graduate in Africa, to believe that once your phones are down, you will pray, then Angel Michael will come and charge your phone. I don't blame you. It's you that allow yourself to be slaved at the second time. The people you are calling Angel Michael and Angel Gabriel today, look at them here. These are people that your ancestors, today you tag them saints. You call them Angel Gabriel, Angel Raphael, Angel Hure. People you don't know, the angel you don't know, your ancestors who founded the where we are living on this earth, have never told you any story about angel or Bible. You woke up to start dabbling in stupid. That is why you prefer building church in your village than the hospital. Because you are believing what these people are believing. You today that have cathedral, where you come from, but you don't have the dialysis machine in your village. Because if you have kidney problem tomorrow, there is nothing different between you and these people. You that are reading the Bible, preaching to people that Jesus made a cripple to walk and he made a blind to see. Why you have never witnessed where such thing happened? There is nothing different between you and these people. Black race like you, animals in human form, listening to me all over the world without common sense. The most useless people on this planet Earth that have already surrendered their life to the people, pleading to them, announcing before the white they are so foolish. Go and see where they are seeking asylum. In a country where human beings like you built. What have the Christian leaders done in order for you to have a better nation? Which protests are they conducting? They are praying for you. The same way Christians are praying for the good of Nigeria instead of protesting for the good of Nigeria. There is nothing different between you and these people. The same way the Catholic Church printed a prayer for Nigeria in this race, which I, Ezeaku, prayed in 2002 before I received my first Holy Communion, what they call Devil Communion, they call Holy Communion. We all pray the prayer. The same thing we are doubling to them in the name of praying for Nigerian industry. There is nothing different between these people and me and you that did the same thing under Catholic Church. That is manipulation. Everything about Christ is fraud. Manipulation. Christ drove black people away from reality, from knowing that A is A and B is B. A black child that has zero industry is praying for job opportunity. That is why you are so free. Can you create anything as a black child? No. Except the food, the items our ancestors created with their common sense. Is there any new thing that African child created in order to improve black Africa? No. But they are building churches. There is nothing different between you and these people. Why you are contributing money to build church in a society where there is no industry? There is nothing different between you and these people. You that contributed money to buy a car for a reverend father that will add no value in the society. He will not even give birth in order to replace, at least to bring a newborn baby, a new ideology, a new child that will bring new development in our society. But you are contributing money to buy a car for a reverend father. Why electrical engineer that graduated from university in your community are moving with empty foot? Electrical engineer who made America what they are today. Electrical engineer who made America what they are today. Mechanical engineer who made European what they are today. The one we have in our society are moving with empty foot. Why reverend fathers are driving Jeep under AC? Because they are telling you what the slave master wrote in the Bible. You are still a slave. You have to please your slave masters. You have to please them. Keep on dabbling stupid. If you still go to church in Nigeria as a black person, you are a you don't know anything. You go to listen to lies. Something that you will start doing for yourself. Something you're supposed to be waxing strong, developing your state and your country, fighting hard for the good of your nation to be better than America, Canada, Japan. You throw those practical work away and start believing in imagination. God killed David. David killed this. Elijah killed this. Job do this. Black, sorry. Look at graduates listening to a criminal in Africa that don't know how the microphone is being produced by a Chinese who is not a Christian, telling them that they pray and the phone charged. Phone started charging. Phone started charging because of prayer. Sorry for Africa. This is what I want to draw you out from. The same thing, you that is praying for healing without having CT scan in your village, without knowing what medication is all about, there is nothing different between you and them. Because the day sickness will catch you, you will die. Now your husband have died because of kidney failure. True or false? Your wife died because of kidney failure. Your kid died because of liver cancer. Your hubby died because of a different type of sickness. Did you raise them with prayer? The only time we know that Christianity is a lie is when they take your life. Or they take the life of your belonging. And the same religion leader will manipulate you that it is a demon that kills your beloved one. That you should pray and believe in Jesus so that you will not die like them. That is when that leader is digging another hole of natural death for you to die like animal. We have scattered all over the world because we lack what the Westerners use their common sense to do. We lack what our ancestors did with their common sense. We fail to produce what can benefit man and animals in our society. We choose to pray, to have to listen to criminals in the name of vision. All the visions in Africa, no electricity in Nigeria, no good hospital, no road, no running water. Wake up, black child. And we will keep on fighting in this struggle. We must achieve this, our goal. And our goal is to liberate our people from these criminals called Reverend Father, bishops and pastors in Nigeria. They are all liars. Since I placed over 10 million naira, provide a cripple and a blind, whom Nigeria pastor and Reverend Father prayed and the person became healed in your village. Did anybody appear? That if we have a working government, all these people are supposed to be arrested by now. One of them who is doing fake miracle in Warri, inside the church where you are doing fake miracle, was set ablaze. The church got burned down completely. Maybe because of electrical mistake of electricity. The same mumu come out to fool his people, his followers that God. The same you believing that the God sent fire to your pastor's church. There's nothing different between you and these people. Nothing different. Mugus. They don't use Jesus chop. Jesus is not your brother, not from your village. You have no business with Jesus. You are suffering doubly. That's the only thing that makes you to believe that Jesus exists because you are eating 3 times in a day and you will be watching your own blood, your color suffering. Now Jesus has blessed you and others are under Satan captive. You lack common sense. Wake up, black man. Let's face reality and make sure these people go down completely in our land. This criminality in our land, let us make sure we pull them down with honest and with the law of this nation. Because I told you that very soon we will start arresting them left and right.